no enso ade aba na esi ho enkonwa na pensem ede ema ahwefo a mo hwe nyina ma nyina achi era mase se machusu others moja others machusu yen over others na ene idaso etin komune nyina ye bekabum enkomo papa ahana Ghana T ahana Ghana hwe na 2TV beyond the limit the dialogue show no ene benada the special day ena yede ebro ene era eye onua wonto bisiu ewo enkonwasie ene nkomodi ewo ha se midin ede owo ahene entwi buisi akominu aba benanya kokokuma enso atrase ene anopeya ene ho ayefe yi papa dubnada na ayene krada ti ayama mane nyonwanwa se edubnada oyensenkyerene ensenkyerene nyankopon enam na basa so mebi aso ne so ene anopeya fasida Emma Franco Trading Enterprise omu aboaye ma anopai ya tete so promotion Ghana for agiatum ama ene Ghana for ankasa ene edi adanse se ampa Franco Trading Enterprise emfa wano keke eno ye nwura na wachire esisudua se ya tete so promo no omu ankasa edi ho adanse tumirika ne kokwaje odi sanse 1st September to 30th September no penise ya tete abete no na neche ano no nti ebra no guso epem ekonanim ene ne de toso enso de aka be na otwemiensa na promotion no omode aba ewie so pe Samsung Nokia na ohwe iPhones na OPB ato isi ayese ba ko de iPhone 12 Pro eno de ma no de omani je ho papa statistically ohwe ma na to no dodo ese mema utimu se ebodwuma kama enye phone bi akeke enkoto ya no mudi ni bi na oto ahwa o de sura kwa beda na wa chinchina uhia eye Franco Trading Enterprise Franco ya tete so promo wo de abakure mu no eno na betimi aboawo ama de wo hwe no on sabetimi aka afei wo television set papa and all the board them on se TV na ni da ho clear especially with the 2 TVs here timi se any edda ho ankasa eno if 32 Edikosi 55 inches no on sabetimi aka Franco Trading Enterprise TV no ebi afei se obekọ abefo kwaso no ne omadi enkomo o download the Franco Trading app on Google Play Store ho obetimi no ato abasakom ana website address www.francotrading.com and also on sabetimi aka omna bibia akọ enkanti yen hye no so emfa emaye ho na o se emfa number Google hold try and confirm number biani other random pages know your Franco Trading Enterprise and come on no from 0246 422 338 and 0555 939 311 Franco Trading Enterprise still phones pa fee and then so nyame de ho for fee yede enkomo ID kind the first segment of the show the dialogue show no the Boka Temu Enkomono Eddie Ebro. This is your number one program, The Dialogue. You can join us on our social media platforms, especially on YouTube at Net2TV GH, on Ghana's biggest and the most highly respected political, social, and current affairs talk show. And right, the Honorable former Deputy Minister of Health, the Honorable Abraham Juma Odum, was on the 6th show. The genesis and the revelations of Eurojet projects, what me I diagnose, I digest, I analyze, and my cogent evidence on that particular project, which was initiated during former President Kufuor's era as the President of the Republic on the 6th show live here on the 2TV. So, munya konya etimihwe no motin sem definitive na chassis kusi na toye or the new komo nyina. The senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana, NRA, were down by 1-0 against South Africa. And na Ira Hosem na time Ghana ball na yebono na enye enso ni emwa na inu se NRA na eka CK akono asem. Minu ba mache.
Yenua owa hene.
Be fine.
Oh, adom ne ehumobro ntimi wo.
Combination and what day. Combination and what day.
Akikato so.
Akato so. The fin hono.
The answer no.
Anu ye day. More flana.
Debbie.
Anu ye day.
homa ya chichire ya keke.
Ekatade no ho.
Ka ho. Na nka me na me de tuatua ho.
Ekatade no. Say flying wing. Abu say flying wing.
Well.
But efe.
Me da se.
Na ni da ho.
Me da se.
Akonta so to ni.
Ta ho we de eje ya.
Eje. Ene eje ya de.
Oh ya de.
Oh eje ya twa. Eje twa. Oni fufu ni kwa. Na bibi ai fine.
Ya mi adumo.
Oda yi.
O se de weather na ye kama.
Tutimi da. Se wi mu nya hye.
David.
Uhia aircon ne fan.
David.
Tutimi da ma ho ba. Nyankopon o se we natural aircon.
Yeah.
Nyame odwene ma ho.
Pa.
Edu ba bia no o ma awia hye kakra dia kakra.
Fei, na fei.
O di ni masaba. Nyankopon yi.
The times and seasons here adwuma no.
Ye hu ne da papa ye hu da ba tinsenchire ne o ye man na no de. Entine so ye nsenchire ne Nyankopon.
Oh yes, he is.
Anopai ye chia o papa.
And he got times and seasons.
Ma. Ye mu yo ne boni e chi na. O some natural condition.
Yeah.
Oh nyame.
Okaso obehwe no ho de ne nke ya hye.
Na Black Stars.
Obesa me ka Black Stars for once.
Ka mi bi kakra. Enra. Se na o ti hake.
Bo na o mu bo ne nye. Se Ghana fo ye be ka no kra. Bo na o mu bo ne nye.
Enye bo no de nye.
Technical fo na o mo ti bench na so nkoyi.
CK akono. Na o hwe
so on to me take a firm decision.
CK so na no keep coaching. What she suit no she combat emtade be na nzo na na fi.
Ene send de
coach for that.
Ene bo de nya hwe.
Coach for that.
Oh say ene no o mutumi she suit no ma she foot.
O she but na only foot na no de no.
Ende nya hwe.
Na say otuko no tade bi na o she na o she.
Say the fashion. De ene bo de nkanka hwe.
Ene so kwati ma defeat o.
Na de wo mu say. Bo no mu bo no enye.
In fact, ene what me hwe bi.
Omu ni team. Me de me hwe nse madaje.
Say ye ne hwe.
Mu be he. Me de me hwe. Na me na no ananwumre no be 7 ho no. Na me call mu social media yesu na me hu se nkrofo je wo mo na me se te ho na me bisa se ade blaster for na ya hye wo mo ana na ye se ya hye wo mo wana me se ene enti na nkrofo church re nsem atisa no de wo mu ne se bo na wo mo bo no se o mo betene wo mo ho no ma bo ni yi a ebeboa o mo ebeboa Ghana so eno am ka che se team na wo na nya team aye frefre kobo aye se ofichire fichire this kind of spirit in your fan called World Cup.
And no sports for my metia say etua CK akono 1.8 billion.
Omodi amano.
A month.
Omodi amano.
Oso mutua neka.
Okay. So omutria they are fine any ye de nyame ase.
Entina the president crap pay to say.
Say football no dey expensive oh.
Each.
Yeah. Enye ayisa.
Enye adwuma ni coach.
Enye ajisa.
Coaching course that because me and run when say coaching was so me oje sa ketu dia. I was say resign e kope bi you. But ni na chi so.
Omo ko mo fa hwe ma. Yeah.
Enye say players no. Winning bonus $10,000 each player.
Yeah.
Ubo obi o.
Wa mo bi o. And the so ka team ne ho nko, o ka squad ne ho nko ade a.
Hey, Black Stars.
But no more bonny, they bring back the love, and their love, and their betche.
That's me, woman, or some of them Black Stars.
My man, no cram more Black Queens.
Black Queens, no. That's it.
Because no more boy party.
I mean, sir, a video be on social media. Our phobia call ye new maybe a bosom trim.
Labels, but I don't pay an for the chairman.
But at time, Ghana, very bad.
A hydrogen.
Send you are saying,
Jenny, phobia faso or more disregarded bibia.
Bibia.
Yeah, or more fun bibia. Nanka leg busumuchumwa. A one crying a year patari.
Uno oko for
now, saying, how?
But me gidi say nana
no enipa regard bibia wasase ya yeteswe so senka yi lake ya enipa bebre wo mu weekend ya obi akodemu bie die e de akono be ya e de akono
oba no so nti oba no so
I don't get it.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, but enyaba nti no we wish them well.
Eddie But we didn't say none of my own should know heard in a corner, any yay. I was on phone, so I think, so quack then shoe now for bar, and I heard Tigelos. I'm ready money across so not a what is I jay? News by Papa. Yes, so if ever the work at time come back.
And I'm the Chronicle
chassis.
If we need a war chronicle in Papa.
Okay, and I'm for Chronicle and
I was for Chronicle and a day chassis no pay now or say massive projects for new regions. And no enna a way. Now or say NPP's subbing boiling again. NPP chair aspirant celebrates delegates for peaceful confab. And also NDC MPs fight cataract in Nzema enclave. Afe Matthew 5:16.
I don't know what to buy.
In the same way, let your light shine before others, and they may see your good deeds.
Hey.
Yeah. Entino set mampeni Akufo-Addo. The light na shine here.
Yes.
A Jubilee House that way. Yeah, no.
You see, I say, no, say, no, no, Case. Yes, we see Kumako Case, RCC, a moon petty.
Debbie. 7 years of Jubilee House.
You see, RCC, no moon petty.
Na a Jubilee House on Swampa. F. Penfonine na Chronicle. Ediaba ene anopeno. Na, Masolo Foreign Etroma Chronicle, and will say, contrary to claims to say, Mampeni Dada Mahama Beka say President Akufo-Addo accredited regions and on abandon what to pay on for money. Enti Bibia Nkoso ewo ho. Na last weekend and a Mampeni Akufo-Addo prove some pa regions not ya na na bibi so na nye say o tenekeke so said ye kan Mampeni Mahama ekano. Nukreni Oko Seviyo so ye Western North Regional Capital no administration block or Messiama coordinating council no F papa. Na Chronicle the Bokrata and say new regions no bebia ye create bibia so sa facility omo besi bi e de ama wo.
Okay.
Aha na Mampeni Dada Mahama kakasa wona lerugo na eno wodi tudwa August ni mu no say you cannot just create regions in the name. The regions must be worthy of being called regions, and it is the infrastructure that makes region. Infrastructure is not that way.
Not way.
Enti Chronicle the worker.
Akufo-Addo nanu ya wate region masida na si osa.
So we also Jubilee House na da ho no.
Hey.
Enti say kan Mampeni Mahama say infrastructure and making regions no a ebi na da ho no. Enti say sia de obi hu de etwemu enti no na osi wo call NPP amanyoko ni mu a subin abato mpesua ne so no eho huru pa ya enyasem keto
asembai
yo making kama they say all is not well with the party at Subin and have appealed to the party hierarchy at the national and regional levels to act swiftly to correct the abuse before the fortunes of the party are affected at a major election. Mr. Robert was said to be spokesperson of the aggrieved party members in the Subin constituency disclosed at a press conference in Kumasi. According to the spokesperson, the member of parliament for Subin disregarded guidelines, procedures, rules, and regulations for the conduct of this year's constituency delegate conference and called on national regional executives of the party to call him to order to avert imminent chaos. Almost say na no conference omo ye no. Omo mra shebeduani owo ho. Honorable Robert Robert Oses be na yes spokesperson.
Subi na say Eugene.
Mo wanfa enhyehyeye wo se conference ne de ye conference no ene ye. Ebi bo achentwi. Enti mpenifo ne nkasa. Na mamento aso wo ensemfofro mu wo chronicle mu. Ewo mfinfini ha. Osi NDC MPs bi so omaboa ama oma organize eye screening e de ama omanfo mo wo elembele ne importem zimane ne importem na Emmanuel Amakofi bua elembele e na dokas maame na eso di amanchen no jomro ai e na Kofi akon no koi evaluate adwura wo mo na aka bomu a omanfo a wo mo ani ɛyɛ omo ya wɔ sampotem ho no nyina no omatumi aye operation ɛde ama wɔ mo kwa ya wɔ mo ntua hwee I think say omo ya de ye mo mabaso yeah chronicle the obokrata no de say hwe akontomra rice factory no so osan ɛde ho asɛm aba ene anope
I mean for the daily statement and twaso say hwe we also Jubilee House no da so da ho nti me fan twaso eno so no so twamfoni ne pa the daily statement eno so da ho no Ayoko Botwe named outstanding foreign affairs minister of the decade. That's page 3 of the daily statement. And also, so I deputy foreign affairs minister. Yeah. That time I'm penny foreign affairs minister. And what was also 8 years. Until a Honsam and Opay Abonabaso and Akufo-Addo applauded for new regions. House of Chiefs President says creation is boosting local economies. The no Kululu in agenda 111 contracts upon Nkrumah. Lands Minister charges RCCs over illegal mining. The Honorable Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Abu Jinapo, or Central Region. Now, Nananum and Regional Coordinating Council this year. The fight against illegal mining. Ensem Ewaha. Western North Region Mampeni Commission new administration block and RCC no and that now I say the cost of it was 17,647,543 Ghana cedis and I'm sit down kama sa oh why there agenda 111 no for kodopon Nkrumah say kululu semiedim bi mu say you need to be maso and it cannot be possible near the day and also all the home annually and the aba and the amount see and pay the daily statement and so the annual my inkakum
I'm Ghanaian Times network yo me the Ghanaian Times network so now or see aftermath of coup d'etat in Guinea ECOWAS threatens Guinea expulsion. UN, AU joined to condemn coup, demand release of President Condé. And also Waha. Defense Ministry 500-bed capacity hospital work ongoing. Contractor Neneka say. Central Regional House of Chiefs throws weight behind fight against Galamsey. Court fines 3 COVID-19 patients for attacking doctor. My first story no and started. Page 3 of the Ghanaian Times. Now. Nipa bi a omo ba o man yi mu a ye de omo ko isolation center e wo M Plaza won kran ha enti doctor ni a ye de na to sa center na no se won hwe na obi o wo covid ni bi ni ye ne test ya ye be hwe no ko si se ne ho beto no ansa na e ja na ma na ba kro mu enipa miensa omo din enie Jobril Abimbola Ahmed Akimbiyi ena Ramsey Amoefe womo na ya court no afine womo yi de ba ye nyina ne se doctor ni ayede na to ho se won hwe covid-19 center no so wo eho no DSP Julian Obenchire say womo ewo isolation center ho no na doctor no ebe ka se sankrofo wo susu se still a womo ye positive nti ye nyo mo test ampani ampa ye test no na a show say womo ye covid-19 positive. And I said, woman, young woman to say a doctor, and so I can't go with the folk who won a good. Yeah.
Oh, Krumah.
Crom again, crying her. Some doctor now cancel more COVID-19. Now, COVID-19, a doctor and a dish of one.
Ranting and cocoa. Assemble cry.
See, ya do a Marco court, and a court no a fine almost said, or more entry a total of 6,000 Ghana cedis. Now, Dr. Nina will move prano no so. Omuntria 2,000 Ghana mano as compensation.
Very good.
And no ewa has.
Don't confirm Kotokusiani.
Aye, and you're doing a cry.
Yes.
Now, speaker. Number 3.
Yes. Numbers in Yachawi.
Yachawi, only number. Oh, the only number.
Me mono maybe.
Ora Alban, Sumana Kingsford Babin. And was say a sin of Akunyano obe declared vacant. Ewo na shebe fie mu no. On want to me.
How?
Yeah, or see.
Court no dey you crab on me.
Court no na dey ade abrɛ was say Speaker has declined the declaratory order from the registrar of a court in Accra to declare the Asen North seat vacant. Yeah. A Cape Coast High Court presided over by Justice Kosi Boakye ruled that the election of James Churchill as the MP for the area was null and void. The court held that Mr. Kwesi violated Ghana's constitutional and other statutory provisions that guided the country's elections in relation to his Canadian citizenship. And subsequently, the registrar of the general jurisdiction in a declaratory order requested that the speaker declared the seat vacant to pave way for fresh parliamentary polls in the Central Regional Constituency. But the speaker, in a reply signed by the clerk to Parliament, Cyril Insia, said the legal tussle was not exhausted for the seat to be declared vacant.
So muko appeal.
Speaker so muko appeal. And you want to mean declare seat no vacant.
Until for now, no, obi Parliament be over manabana.
Amza, nso obeko so akọ. Said the Ghana phone nyina ye anim sem no ukọ Guinea Conakry se say the corona adane abutra soja for take over. Na owura ye a oye kuyi mama di say ye say ono na oye ayi afa konde no na ayi o.
The personal yankasa.
Ne security man yankasa.
Papa.
Eh. Enti President Akufo-Addo Ghana mampani ye nyina nim so na ye dwamteni ECOWAS Authority of Heads of State and Government. Ena wa kasa. Wa chese military for no are take over power ewo Guinea hono. Wa mu enyai de di kan no. Na mampani afa konde susu a wo mache no no. Wa mu nya no. Na constitution na na o madane butu ewo Guinea hono so. Omonsanko back to constitutional rule. Enye sa Guinea man no ebeyi wo mafri ECOWAS ne mu.
Better.
United Nations for so de omano atomo bi. African Union almost so can the same thing. Enti sesia no it is up to Mamadi Domboya ene ne nkrofo a omka no ho a omatu aban na go achi mampani no akwakohye dem mo asese obi ehu no no. Se omubedi de ECOWAS ne AU ne UN for ne kan so anaso muni so ende ebre ne nkrabia ne bekire enti sesia no but enu a mehwe TV uhwe the kind of jubilation na ECOWAS Guinea Conakry ho na yes o manfo no mo pede soja fo na ye no
se o timi kwose samra
yeah so be third time enu na ye problem no no na ye problem I didn't na bibi man penifo so mo tumi nka ncha afa konde sade na wo ye na nye
dam
I didn't know mo kan kire
god o ye no de
because o say e ba ye ya ye che no yi constitution ya da na ebutu mo call for his release
but that
time na no ye sa na o masisa constitution I didn't know African leaders na kan kire ne say masade na wo ye no and then so say na beba African leaders now also mututu omo
say and been so mo kan kra they should have come out publicly.
Exactly.
Like sending more.
Some condemning.
Yes.
Say Adena or your honor.
And yet
ECOWAS for we don't support you. Sana eba ye no obi ehun sa baby amugina but man carry no assistant constitution na soldier for na tuna. And looking at judging from what is going on ewo Guinea no. Oman for no pay. Nia ekoso. Yo.
Mami
Eurojet the Anwaha.
Okay.
Says our story where we interested. Defense Ministry 500 bed capacity hospital work ongoing contract and say. Eurojet they invest almost a year for no contractors.
Yes.
Almost see 500 bed capacity hospital ewa ferry. Na ebinum kano afari.
Yes sir.
Crowded in their ferry.
A ferry, yes.
They are ferry. Na sa hospital yi NDC for the ababa tubia say mampani Akufo-Addo bae no sa hospital no wa abandon no wa tunu pay we yes murem and also baba ya agenda 111 contractor na ba bontia be ka some ka sa de na je some person mo che say yen contractor for your site aye adwuma no yenye we enye sa na tie o say adwuma no koso pa yeah obi obeba be ka kire wo say adwuma no enkoso no oboa na so far be de akira wo hwe defense so bambon sam so Kofi Amankwa menu one empanifo bi e ka ne ho eno a wo kwaprobo e wo hospital ho
okay
ena eba beto odwa says hospital no they say 92% completed na me aferi hode bi am twem ho uhwe buildings a omo progu e ho no mo a ho enti obi be ka kira wo say sa hospital ni abandon well politics nti no be ye nne sa na beba Council on Foreign Relations Ghana to hold confab on political situation in Guinea yati yeda mase
Daily Guide and I'm there to us so we and I be watching
they are watching the men kan ho asem Blasters lose to Bafana. Abusu dia ba yo, abu dia ba dia ne yen kan. Enra Bafana 83rd minute.
No mo say.
And I wanna decide and buy no. Into South Africa for or ma shey. Ghana Blasters 1-0. FIFA World Cup qualifier. And no FNB Stadium and Joburg.
Who review story and as a all kind of
continue. May catch them. And I wanted that. And I am queen.
Hey, Blasters, baby. Now, Daily Guide, no, they ever say, fix it leader, Hill School, Oliver, Mausi, Baker, Vumawo. I say fix the country leader, no. I say cool now. Ekoso Guinea no obechurch on some on Twitter pages social media hand no pages ni obechurch on some awfo aso na ehon sem ha de win makom NDC lashes Presby moderator so for I can declare as in not vacant Barbin Nana opens Western North Jubilee House GRA lobbying gets intense also for Misha die any abre no so won sem na yes abrantie Vumawo no our baker as a backer say you were here fix the counting I saw no was he express his elation on social media when he appeared to hail the unconstitutional action which he has been advocating in Ghana as well and the ongoing brawl in the Guinea of this African continent. No, on 4th August, during their protest in Accra, he had said unlike the past where soldiers dissolved the first, second, and third republics, the youth will soon dissolve the fourth republic in Ghana as ushered by the 1992 constitution. Or can Baby Susa Branton in Sambia Wakika. And it's a coup across Guinea, the near Jehon. Na so for Penia or that Presby no one basa no.
Yeah.
Okay. I know you made the right.
Right
Reverend Professor Joseph Obri Ebuamante.
Yeah.
The dear depa.
Papa. Maybe moderator no moye nsa no.
Eso okokasa.
Na yi yamedi for de yenye nsa.
Ti agenda 111 no asem okai no kai
agenda 111 and say cathedral
agenda 111 no kan wasem
oh okay
ne cathedral no kra
oh okay o say friend say agenda 111 no obi obeka so enye yie no nipa kro na ebeifo
also we've allowed politics to dominate our lives to an extent that we do not have good hospitals. If someone says he's coming to construct 111 hospitals and you are angry about it, you are rich. For the pastors who want to exercise witchcraft, this is the kind of witchcraft you need to exercise.
Na asema moderator kan ye wo bo.
Omwa. Menene ya 1,000%.
Oh ahene.
You need hospital kruma.
You need hospital. Ena obisi waba. Meme ye agenda 111 hospital no mesi na district bia ye nya hospital wo ho wo de wo sie enye na we no enya sofo na obefre sofo ama o se wo ye sofo na obeso wutu beya sankrofo na omo kiki against 111 na wo so
abefo no omo ano no
awu na wo so wutu o mbeye ma
wakasa yie sofo anope nkwaso we have a bonabaso. What they call crater, maybe.
Prof. Yeah, Boabaso, Pia, Monica. Young Queen. The new crusading guide, could be for his or master.
Only could be. Janet Nablos and Jehovah. Hey, that's who.
And yes, I'm get to what.
Party the moment your papa be a Nasa, the Shisha party.
And yet, confusion
and then one was a chair was
PNC heightens over petition to impeach chairman. Said ye Naomi, one Naomi chairman is a.
If I know, Danny Bam was a name. Daniel Bam be me.
Yo, Northern Youth for Peace to Anna Owusu-Efiri Yakoto. Yo, new regions improving local economy, infrastructure development. House of Chiefs President. Okay. ECOWAS condemns military takeover in Guinea. Ekufado tours OT Volta regions. I'm penny on your home crowd. Nah.
And of course, also with Medibidi and so
Azano ko Otini Volta. Wow. The People's National Convention, PNC Yokube.
Oh.
Yes, and the National Executive Committee no Beshia. Omonek no. Beshia Nede. Na meeting no enema hodwa omo be discuss ne bi ne say ye the petition abre empanimfo ne say omo party chairman no a say omo flag bearer for 2020 election and David Apasara ono na ye omo leader ye the petition abre neck ne say omo ntu ne nsen so na party ne chairman Moses Daniba ono so ya file na petition no eye omo general secretary Janet Nabila no and I dey call here.
Okay.
And a youth organizer so Ashanti region Muniru Saidu Mohammed. And a party's communication director of Northeast Mamuna Idana. Omo accuse Ora Apasara. Any Daniba say omo the party nisika awasawo Muslim. And a general secretary Janet Nabila no so omo suspending no. And also so any PNC for merem. Enti na maame no na no metie no Janet Nabila no o say omo accusation ti a omo suspend ni nyina ne say oje sika wo say o de koto party account mo no o de ato regions no account mo na regional account no o de to mo no enye PNC account ana enti omo bisa ne say na adenti na o waje sika wo electoral commission ho na wo say o de to party na account mo no o de koto regions fo ni nyina account mo abra regions no sikano kra ucha enso omo nyina o say omo party accounts no di sika tuma na yera
ho na kansa
oba no Janet Nabila no general secretary
to the tutu ehim
eno ti no de koto regions ne di eni
o sa make statement be say omo here party offices are rented to mu ye fundraising enya over 1.5 billion 150,000 Ghana cedis ikomi achi no na pasara yi ene Daniba akoyi mu 70,000
mo yis Canada
ono so ye signatory to the account
nti o kwa no mfa so
better nipa no mom manga kura mom yis kan kwa so ye che nipa no yesa because menumi no ene ya sign o se sign yis kan ba ko fa nkoyi I mean criminal offense no ni asem no
wow enti maami Janet Nabila ne nani abresa krodom
nani ani o
pa na no me hwese ne okasa
ye oba we general secretary of a political party
onye easy kura
kube party
enti kube ni de se de
sisi ano
de ayenya medua
when dey
is enye kube ECOWAS condemns military takeover in Guinea. Okay, and they can want some data. Now, President of National House of Chiefs, Ojia how ya ojebi otosumi no. O se mampani Akufo-Addo. Se oti new regency. Na oye mpuntudwuma eka ho a. Na omuma ne mo piafo, omuma ne moni adwuma. O se akokodro se ne yehia ewo mampani mu, ewo Ghana ha kire se mampani amfane na nsifo man sine bo se regency no ye den obete. Na mpuntudwuma so bedi akira enke ne nam hosa na omo wo se hwe so ne potem da so bata krade enti wo bo mampani abaso se watumi amasa anisade hunu no abam
okay enti obi
kame konfinfini ha mahwe owan yonko yanim
mami fa daily graphic we
ayi no mabona abaso ha foreign affairs minister
Spilled concrete threatens motorists. Ministry of Roads takes action. And Constitute Forum to discuss challenges. John Mahama. And $8 million.
That's what comes at forum. No,
that's what come.
Now, no, so say, Omunia, Okoya, and Royal Saint Jacob, and Communia Kobe.
There's a new.
And also, my penny was one here ideas.
What means or interest was adding. I know what fix it. Maybe I don't cause Abba. $8 million judgment debt slapped on Eurojet, the invest firm. The back page of the Daily Graphic. Ghana's World Cup campaign suffers jolts. Mali, DR Congo picks points away from home. And also, the work at Graphic Sports, that the back page of the Daily Graphic. Say, Osha Yakwan, so concrete now was on Bibi na saying roads and highways for and Honsam, what shall say, a young Edumano. It's concrete fresh, a go so, a home ansem oha. Na Mampenida da John Mahama, Catafet also do insia, page 16. Mamen kind of this. Na Ose, former President John Dramani Mahama has called on the government to constitute a national forum on the economy to find lasting solutions to the country's economic challenges, the seemingly intractable problems we face, and the vicious circle they continue to perpetuate should compel us to create room for more consultation and deliberation among competing political forces and ideologies. He said, and he's speaking at the lecture debt, State of the Economy, the scorecard at the CD Conference Center of the University of Ghana in Accra yesterday, and now Okokeka sa and 70. And back to the studios, Monfayemra. But I don't know the reason why in here.
It is our concrete and only Pacona de Nam, and a good kind of one, as I say.
One of the mixing tracks captured at Shashi. And a Google. I don't know, say, a sarcasm now.
I know, say, aha. Now, Mininian Tiana, Adiana, or Moon to Manasa, or more empty, Adiana, son, or Modia Fakanason. Sadie, we are testipa, and the Shashi Honum say, Ubedu, or not a quano, I say, I say. We want no more concrete.
Yeah, and Jose, a basana, Ghana, Quambia, Unamswana, Quano, and you
smooth, exactly.
But former president say, young constitutive forum.
I don't know, perform, sir.
ABS will be on ideas. It's only the style of dialoguing on economic issues. And they say, call it on forum. Calling people, say, on the round table discussions.
Until almost the course was in Chennai, because he say,
Uncle Sifre. Uncle Sifre. Now, at Pasara. Oh, yeah, PNC, flag bearer. When you say Chabosum Pano.
Oh, yeah.
The last election, we MPP NDC, the third person.
Eh, Chabosum. Yeah, boom.
Oh, say, Papa Kwasim Dumune, at Pasara. Now, me tea Janet, no, woman, or say, you did hear. The Pasara will be here in 2020 about to come 10%. Untimid, and second D and a PNC at TC.
Now we won't bet to me the power.
Anyway, PNC best have a view. A bit me up, Meso Baby, or meet me a quenya. GCB, you walk over. A massa CPP, PNC, political parties not canning. So meet me up from Ghana Konya, GCB was Aquaba. You see,
now the PNC for you,
political party, the kind of people a woman, how I'm better distinguishing them, the kind of economic debates I also am over to me, the ideas I want you to say the two mission Monsa, with me, Proman.
Now, PNC for saying you or policy be on my day
better.
Sika someone or more come
and you see,
no, meeting no more headquarters. Yeah, and then police.
Yes, PNC.
And some truffle in our home.
Giddy by camera capture Musa. How? And why? But a cool leader, a fix the country leader statement or making a you can say taken for granted.
Yeah.
Fix the country.
Also, more inviting no be son in the India or cancer.
Say cool as Guinea.
Yeah, I will be a condemned.
Very young man. Obia condemn said the course of Guinea no. Who the old Guinea for Abaso. Because we are leader of fix the country.
Yeah.
In fact, Ghana Police Service, I was saying many are Moton Safreno and a national security.
And some are
also we detain, you know. Also we detain because Ghana Emrawa.
Yeah. Now the SSC and opena media report be. I say Africa hanging now, we Ghana ni Cape Verde, baby annually. Africa ha.
We Ghana
and Cape Verde. Ya penna, obetimi akase had ya has
political stability.
Apart from that, no. Nigeria,
Guinea, Togo, Bebia.
It's a Sabia.
Togo presidency, Nasim, so I transfer.
You see, as a Cobana said, Bebia Jehane, Elsa areas near a hen on Doman.
Give red and so more. I want the island so.
As you, yes, almost any yampe and I assume you are.
Not as some Messia.
It is a summer sea Guinea, na ye can. Wow, now say, who hail the air costume. Now, over so chasing.
In fact, my national security, they should take this matter out.
Yeah, they should.
They shouldn't joke about this issue at all.
They should.
Also, too many chin with the maybe phone lines not to Mrs. Yassane because he set up a phone, mammy.
And go for your reckless will come harder. And somewhere your church on social media near the share. Oh, no, who experience it could be that, or more experience be no more come once a more massa. Enya de papa wasa obeka kire say na nyezem fa ha emwa yen emwa enti wonya nsem na okeka no nya nsem na okeka
na the mo so for presby so for
moderator
say obi bia okasetia free SA agenda 111 all by for Joseph Yami ni NDC for horo no say onokwa no enen go access o presby ni because of politics
onunkwa Joseph Yami no krade o kasa onye presby ni kra nke fe onunkwa
ko free mpo
oh
Yami ene jai ja sorry say
onunkwa ye proud say ye
presby
for no ye doso e na ye kra so no me pese me kan say me onya asare onyai
Yami jai
onyai
Nana grada akwati asori
onyai
bit makonenda 02